my name is Jeremy Morales. Welcome to South Houston Nissan, and you're looking at a new 2022 Nissan. What you're looking at is a VC turbo with 248 torque, and then you also have 236 horsepower. You got some horsepower in there. The good thing about this Nissan Altima is good on your pockets. You got a great efficiency in terms of fuel. So you're looking at 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon in the highway. It's very good. Another amazing feature about this Nissan Altima, we got amazing cargo space. You're looking at 15.4 cubic feet of space, and just so you can see, you got amazing space. You can even fit a TV in here. So this Nissan Altima comes with a lot of great safety features. You're looking at a blind spot warning. You're looking at power stop, which is automatic emergency brake when it feels and it senses a pedestrian walking or some type of collision. This Altima comes with great warranty. I'm talking about 3 years or 36K miles of basic bumper to bumper warranty. We're also looking at 5 years or 60K miles of protection bumper to bumper if you would like that as well. So this Nissan Altima even comes with Pro Pilot. So what Pro Pilot means, it assists you to stay in your lane, and it also helps you to slow down and speed up while you're in traffic.